Hi, I'm Emma and welcome to TikTok Tuesday. Each week we look at online trends and challenges and do the research to see if it's worth the hype. This week we're looking at cloud bread, a flourless, high-protein solution that some TikTokers claim is the perfect solution for your sandwiches.
Yummy, yummy cloud bread!
Whether you like the flavor or not, you've got to admit that cloud bread is really fun to make. First, whip 3 egg whites just until they're slightly foamy. Next, add sugar and cornstarch, then whip again. At this point, you could also add some vanilla if you'd like.
You just need to whisk together egg whites, white sugar, and cornstarch until you get really stiff peaks. You can change the color and the flavor just by adding those things in, or you can leave it plain and it still looks really cool. Just bake it at 300 degrees for about 25 minutes, I did.
So I've got my cloud bread here and I put it to the ultimate test, which to me is a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now, as you can see from the peanut butter just dripping off this, it's kind of falling apart. This isn't very stable and I didn't want to put it in the toaster to try and toast it up a little bit because I was concerned that it wouldn't come back out. It's also kind of moist, so it's sticky and a little difficult to work with. But the bread itself is actually really sweet and it goes pretty well with a PB&J sandwich. So to each their own. I think if I cook this again, I'd probably leave it in the oven for a little bit longer to try and get even more of the water out of it. I've also been reading that some people complain about the eggy taste to it. I added vanilla to mine, so I think that got rid of it, which is why I don't have that problem. But at the end of the day, it's fun, it's cute, and it does taste pretty good. So a win in my books. If you're really worried about the macronutrient content of this recipe, the entire recipe itself has, and I'm reading this so I get it right, 368 calories, 17 grams of fat, 26 grams of carbs, 18 grams of sugar, and 23 grams of protein. For me, that ended up making 2 slices, which turned into this peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Hopefully, if you get it a little bit fluffier and are able to get more of the moisture out, you might be able to get a couple more slices, but it doesn't actually make that much bread. By comparison, 2 slices of white Wonder Bread has 190 calories, 2 grams of fat, 37 grams of carbs, and 6 grams of protein. So if you're looking for a high protein, low carb substitution for your lunch, this might be a good option for you, but make sure you check with your doctor or registered nutritionist to see what you should be aiming for every day. I've also been told that this doesn't last in the fridge that long. You've only got about a couple of days before it starts to go off. So if you're looking for a quick and easy solution, this might not be the right option for you. If you've ever made cloud bread and if you've had more success than I did, I'd love to hear from you. Check us out at healthing.ca.